everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama standing outside one of my favorite customer creations. This home is a 28 by 64 going to Jim and Deb. And it is interesting because it is front loaded with a half a porch. Here's the front of the home. Let me go out a little bit. And then the short side, the front is the short side, and then here's the long part of the home. Now we were going with the modern black trim look, and I think they pulled this off great. We've got black fascia up at the top, and then just stuck with the black shutters instead of adding all black windows and everything. And I think that we still got the same effect. Wouldn't you agree, Reagan?
Yes.
Here's Reagan, my new administrative assistant. Don't worry, Brittany's still here. She's just moving on up. So we've building a whole new team, and it's turning out to be great. Let's go take a look at the other side of the home. And please excuse me, it's 115 degrees out here, and it is Friday, Freaky Friday to be exact. And it's the end of the day. We're ready to go home. So let's go in and take a look at this beauty. Okay, let me get my shoes off and see if we can wrap our minds around it. I know it gets tough for you guys when I'm doing sectional homes because I got to jump in and out of everything. But let's go to this front window. And there's the front porch. So you're coming into a Craftsman door for the front door, wide open to a dining area. In this floor plan, you also have the choice to do a half wall post here if you wanted to add a little bit of separation to create a foyer type of deal. Over here on the other side, we're going to see in a moment, bedrooms 2 and 3. This is a nice little pantry. We'll see that also, full of wire shelves. A lot of storage in this kitchen, and look at the colors. The inside matches the outside. We've got clay on the outside with the black trim package, and on the inside, we've got urban oak on the cabinet, Roca Bosco on the countertop. And always, 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 I recommend popping it out with that ice backsplash. And that's exactly what we've done here. Black appliances. And then black cabinet handles also. Looking at these, don't quote me on this because I don't have the order in front of me, but these look like black stainless steel appliances. Actually, drawers over doors and cabinets to the ceiling. I think we got a little bit of an appliance or a drywall package here. All right. Let me step back and show you how much storage. Let's start over here. This is a built-in pantry as well. Let's see what's going on inside. Just lots of open cupboard space. Oh, little lazy Susan there. Fully adjustable shelves in the cabinetry. And so that whole area right there is a nice storage, and it looks fabulous as well. Here's the island. Drawers over doors in the island. When you do drawers over doors, you're going to have it in the entire kitchen, as well as an extra bank of drawers there. So you got all that extra storage up there. A couple of stem lights over the island, and then a pantry all along this side. And I think, yeah, that's just some wide open storage there. All right. This is really considered a shotgun home because here you got the front door, boom, right out the back. Here's the living room. We always put all of your installation materials in the living room on a big piece of plastic. Looks like we've got the standard carpet, which is called Havana, which is still a very nice carpet. Even though it's standard, it's 15 ounce, and it's a great carpet. This is actually a sunroom, but what we've done here is we've added a back door. You do have the option on this floor plan to add a full optional porch back here, and a lot of people will add a patio door going out onto a porch. But Deb and Jim wanted to do something a little different, and that's okay. Now, when you take a look standing from back here, that's just a beautiful kitchen. Look how we're light on the floor, darkening it up a little bit on the cabinets, and then boom, there's the backsplash, and then white again on the walls. So you can do a lot of things with color play. Also, if the electric was on in here, you could do a lot of things with your lights also. You can change a whole space just by changing color and lights. All right, so here's actually one whole side, one whole half of the home. Let's go check out the other half. This baby opened up right here. This is gonna be the master bedroom, primary closet. It's gonna be a double door, so a door down there and then a door here. Taking my shoes off, I've got to mention my marketing team would like you to like and subscribe. And let's be real, so would I. If you like what you see and appreciate me jumping in and out of these hot, sweltering homes, and you'll see me and hear me complaining in the winter time too, but that's what I do here. I jump in and give you guys some different design ideas and information. Anyways, please like and subscribe. This is the utility area where we've added a utility sink and some extra utility cabinets. The perfect space for a lot of different things, maybe a wine cooler, or I don't know, anything. You could even put a little chair there and make this your office area. Also some more storage in here. That's actually a side door coming into the utility room. A lot of people will add a garage to that side of the home. And then you've also got a very large, what I would call a broom closet, right? That's what my grandma would call it. And then coming into the primary bedroom. And what's neat about this house is over on this side, it's like your own little sanctuary. So walking into the bedroom, you have this nice hallway area with a couple of light switches. I'm not sure what that is all about. Well, I do know what that is about. It's the building code. So if you look here, we've got light switches. Oh, I don't know, 4 feet there, maybe 8 feet there. So they're all over the place, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8 in this whole bedroom. So people ask me, is there going to be enough light switches? And the answer is an absolute yes. Coming into the primary bathroom, we've got the new walk-in shower for this year. Double vanity. They've added that double vanity in here. And then medicine cabinet. Huge, huge fan of the medicine cabinet. Especially when you have double sinks, because it just fills that space so nicely. Hello. It's Friday and it's almost time to go. Semi-private commode with another linen pantry. So you've got 4 drawers in the bottom and then 2 cupboards for your towels. So a very nice primary bedroom space. We've got perimeter heat over here on the side, drywall, white wrapped profile trim, all the nice amenities that you're going to find in a drywall package. All right, come in here. This is going to be that pantry that I showed you guys from the dining room area. And then bedroom 2 and 3 is off on its own space right when you walk into the front door, and you have the dining room, and then off to the right is bedroom 2 and 3. Nice with a bathroom in between to service both bedrooms. So there you have it, folks. My latest and greatest customer creation. Well, it's not mine. Actually belongs to Deb and her husband. And this is a beauty. Jim, Deb and Jim. Oh boy, my brain today. I sure do appreciate you guys for putting up with all of this all the time. I'm Christina. I'm also the mobile home mama. And as always, thanks for watching.